had a client who wanted a boost for his online gaming business. I looked at the different digital marketing options available and I suggested some, but when I mentioned influencer marketing, he kicked against it totally. He said he has tried it with popular Instagram influencers and it didn't work for him. After having a talk with him, here's what I found out. He paid the influencer and the influencer only posted his content like once or twice. But here's the deal, guys. An influencer is someone who can directly impact the opinion and behavior of an audience that will potentially buy your product or services. Therefore, there are 3 factors to determine how easily an influencer can impact the audience behavior. Number 1 is reach. This is the ability to deliver content to a target audience. And the second one is relevance. This is the strength of connection to a brand or a topic. And the last one is resonance. And this is their ability to drive a desired behavior from an audience. Okay? You need to review each area to understand how they may be a good fit for your campaign goals, such as, is their audience relevant to yours? Does the influencer fit your brand tone and voice? Is their reach into an appropriate target audience deep enough? Can they invoke action? This is really important, okay? So how can an influencer work with a brand, or rather how can a brand work with an influencer? There are multiples of possibility for influencer marketing campaign. There are different ways a brand can work with an influencer, and here are some ideas. An influencer can share brand content you created, or an influencer can share brand content they have created on your behalf. There is a sponsored post that features the influencer. It could also be running a contest or a competition. It could be event with a face-to-face contact with the influencer, organizing an event and get your fans to meet your influencer face-to-face. Could be channel takeover, let them run your Instagram for a day. Okay, I could be live streaming events with your influencer and other ones. So there you have it. And now I want to know, have you used influencer marketing strategy before? If so, were they able to meet your business goal? You can share your thoughts on the comment below.